Guys, happy Monday. It's a cold one out there, and it gets the phone to start ringing a little bit more. I officially made it through my long birthday weekend unscathed, and I didn't hurt myself too much. So I'm a little run down today. But what I wanted to talk about is I think I'm going to do the tool giveaways. I think they're going to come back. So uh, I've had this old tubing bender kit, brand new, sitting around for about 2 years now. And I think I'm going to go ahead and upgrade to it. And I'm going to give away my old set. And let me tell you how we're going to give it away. What we're going to do is I want you to tell me what your favorite movie of all time is in the comments. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick somebody random out of all of the comments. If you pick a movie that I really like, maybe I'll pick yours. But I'm just going to randomly pick somebody's comment. Add maybe a little movie review to your comment, and I'm going to pick somebody randomly, somebody's who does the most interesting comment in the comment section, and I'm going to pick you to win the tubing benders. And I'm going to say this like I say every time with the tool giveaway. I prefer to give it to somebody starting out, somebody who needs it. So if you're just somebody tenured like me and you don't really need it, but you're just trying to get it, I'm not gonna be none the wiser. I'm just gonna pick somebody random, but I prefer for anybody that makes a comment of their favorite movie to enter into this giveaway. Would be somebody that really needs it, somebody that is maybe new in the trade. So I'm not going to ramble too much this morning, and I got lots of paperwork to get done. And check out my other video today. I did do my top 10 movies of all time. And, it's a fluid list. It's changing all the time. But that's just what I happen to think of as I put that list together. So anyway, without further ado, let me show you what I'm giving away here. All right, so it's time to retire this old girl here. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. Everything's there. Everything works good. Not missing any pieces. None of the forms here are damaged. Even got your reverse fittings here. All of your sizes, all the way from 1/4 inch, way to your 7/8, way down. Perfectly good set. But the reason why I'm going to give this one away is I got this new one that's been sitting here, oh shoot, probably a couple years now. Decided I'll go ahead and retire that old girl. It's still got lots of use out of it, and give it away to somebody. But this will be my new one here. Whoever wins this, enjoy.